Hello and welcome to game 350-450. This is assignment 6. And in this assignment we were asked to create 3 tasks. One was to create a seesaw, the second was to create a Ferris wheel, and the third was to create a demo for a car with only 2 different kind of cars for 2 different types of terrain. Let's first review the seesaw demo. For the seesaw we have created the seesaw using the revolute joint and prismatic joint. The revolute joint is for the platform and the beam. Let's explain this using the demo. Okay, so this is the seesaw demo. For the stand and the beam we have used the revolute joint. This is the stand and the beam. Then we have the left seat and the beam. For that we have used the revolute joint. For the right beam and this we have used the revolute joint. We have the prismatic joint for the pad with the ground to keep it stable, and that's it for the seesaw. Our next demo was for the Ferris wheel. This is the Ferris wheel demo. So we have created we have the prismatic joint to keep our platforms straight. We have a gear joint. We have kept all the cranks at the center of the gear, and they are revolving with the gear. I will show the code. The Ferris wheel, yeah. So here we have the gear and the crank joint, so this way we have joined the 3 cranks. We have hold the crank at the center of the gear with this joint, that is the distance joint. We rotated the crank using the gear joint, all the 3 cranks which you see here, 3 cranks rotating with the gear joint. Connecting the pads to the crank we have the revolute joint. Then we have the prismatic joint to keep the pads horizontal with respect to the ground. This is the prismatic joint for all the pads. And then we attach the pegs to the pads, and that's it. For our third task, we were asked to create a car demo. So our first car demo consists of a simple terrain with the car. We have 2 different gear joints, and we have used the gear as a wheel of the car. We forgot to turn the update. Okay, yes. So this is demo for the car. This is the demo for the second car demo. This car is different from the first one because it's gonna run for a very rough terrain. As you can see, we have set the torque values for the car different, and also the distance between the 2 wheels are set different. The speed is set different for these cars, and the terrain is also different. So yeah. So these were the 3 tasks for the assignment 6, and that's all. Thank you.